Nature produces some weird and beautiful things. But this 300-meter ice disc spinning in the river in Maine, wow, that's something else. This huge spinning ice disc has formed a few times this century, but has formed just twice recently, 2019 and 2022. Check it out on Instagram and online. This thing is wild. It's formed in the middle of town, and it's spinning slowly. It's huge. One of the most bizarre things about it is that this guy showed up with a chainsaw and tried to etch the peace symbol into it. People wanted him to be arrested, but there was nothing illegal about it. It's just attracted a lot of attention. It's very surprising and unpredictable. This is a huge example of what's called pancake ice or pan ice. And it forms when, in some cases, something like a frazil ice, which is like a slush, has floated in the river. It's gotten very, very cold, and it floats to the surface, and it hardens on the surface. But then it gets caught in an eddy, and so it's circulating around, is on the surface, and it's spinning. The edges are getting rounded off. And in this case, it just kept growing and growing. Interestingly, when you look at the fluvial morphology of the site, there's rapids upstream, which are going to super cool the water, and then there's a giant pool just down that it forms in. Let me know if you've seen pancake ice in a river.